What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What am I doing?
This is not a gym. Don't mess with my mattresses.
I was just trying to help you out. Flip the mattresses. You're supposed to flip them every now and then, right?
No.
No.
Not these mattresses.
Not these mattresses.
No.
All right, guys, so we're here at Texas Mattress Makers. I'm with Yuval Michael. I was trying to do you a favor.
Don't do me any favors.
But I forget your mattresses are way better than everybody else's.
That's right.
You don't have to flip them and you don't have to do the whole every 8-year thing, right?
No.
But in most cases, you walk into a house, it's time for a new mattress, right? And May just happens to be Better Sleep Month.
That's exactly right. May is Better Sleep Month. Average people's mattresses are 15 years old.
Which is not good.
Which is not good. In today's technology, you see this mattress
It's
that you were
beautiful.
trying to flip,
Yeah.
right? Okay, there are two components to it. The spring and the comfort layer, right? The spring, if you were born right now, and I wish you to live to be 120, healthy every single day and as beautiful as you are, you wouldn't abuse it.
Right.
Couldn't even come close to abusing it. The top layer has a minimum of a 15-year shelf life, meaning it will go up and down the way it needs to conform to your body for minimally 15 years. Now, there's one component no one ever talks about. Comfort. How does Christina feel on this bed? Is it comfortable?
Well, I'm going to tell everybody right now. So Ralph, one of our producers, he made these notes for me, and I got my mattress now. It's been 6 months.
Right?
He says I've been less cranky.
Yeah, I'm sure you have.
No, but truly, I have been less cranky, but I'm getting
you?
better sleep. And what's crazy about it is I knew my husband wasn't sleeping well. I didn't realize how well I was not sleeping until
You got a new
came
mattress.
into my life. Yeah.
Very good. So the bottom line is, you don't know what comfort is. And the reason you don't know what comfort is, Christina, is because you think everything you do. It's not a thought. It's got to be a feel. You feel good in your bed. You're relaxed. Your body conforms well. Then your deep sleep is longer, which means your body rests and it rejuvenates itself.
Right.
When you sleep, your T cells, okay, kind of gather up like an army, and they figure out during the night what they're going to do the following morning to fix whatever is wrong with you. So if you sleep well, it gives them that much a longer period of time to figure out how are we going to make Christina feel better the next day.
Right.
If you don't sleep well and you toss and turn, which most people do, and they think that's just the way I am. No, it's not the way you are. You're sleeping on an extremely uncomfortable surface. But your education was 0.
Right, 0. Well, just like when we started this segment, I'm like, in my head, I always thought every 8 years and you have to flip the mattresses. You're saying that's actually, these mattresses you won't flip because you're going to end up messing everything up all over again.
Exactly. You don't flip them. You don't rotate them. If you rotate this mattress, okay, the mattress that we're standing next to you, right, let me squeeze right over here. This is actually the mattress that you have at home,
This one right here?
right here.
Okay.
Okay.
I always like to see what's on the inside.
So if you rotated this mattress, and again, your husband is a larger person than you, and you rotated it, your body, your petite body, would fall into wherever his body impression is. So you went from comfortable to uncomfortable. The point here is if you use the proper product, they will last and support you in the proper manner. My job is to make you comfortable on any given surface. And we have 42 different surfaces here to begin with. And I assure you, you and your husband, okay, can be comfortable on the same surface.
Well, what's great, you know, you're about to celebrate, 39 years.
Right.
You know, so he kind of knows what he's talking about.
Yesterday,
Yes, it was
39
years. But what's great is that people, you know, people come in, they hear custom, or they hear, let's say Matt and I didn't want to sleep on the same mattress, and he wanted one side to be one way and I wanted the other one to be the other way. You can make that, and it's right here, and it's not going to be astronomical prices because it's all right here.
it's the same price.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter to me what I do when it's all open.
Right.
I don't have to order it from Mr. Jones. I don't have to deal with anyone. I do everything here for you. My biggest concern, and what I want the folks to understand, is when you buy a mattress, You have to come in here and you have to do one thing. Sounds weird.
Yeah.
Stop thinking.
Yeah.
When you get up in the morning and you go, ouch, that is not a thought, that's a feel.
Feeling, yeah.
I want you to feel the bed. The guys that work here, we know how you conform to it. And once we see, we will tell you from an engineering point of view, this is your mattress.
Right. So I want to tell everybody, obviously we're down here at the Navigation location, but you also have the Katy location.
Yeah.
Same experts there that are here.
Same.
And can help you out. All those beds are of course made right here at this factory. Then Memorial Day, I love that you're going to be closed.
I served in the military. I'm sorry to say that I've seen wounded soldiers. I'm sorry to say that I've gone to funerals of soldiers that were mine. Memorial Day is a day that you take and you think about all those men and women prior and today that are allowing you and I to stand in this beautiful city and do whatever it is that we want to do in freedom. And I think that that's lost, okay? The younger generation and maybe some of the older generation needs to start going back to the old days. Appreciate what you have. Take a moment, one day, and appreciate it.
Right.
You know, and Memorial Day is that day.
And that's what it's all about.
That's right.
You
It's
see a
not
lot
about-
of the commercials and it's like, oh, the Memorial Day sale. You guys, I love that you're being closed.
No.
You know that you're closed, and that's exactly what it's for.
I'm going to give you the same sale as you would that one day. Okay? Just remember that.
There you go.
If you come today, you're going to get the same price as if you would have come on Memorial Day. If you come a day after Memorial Day, you're going to get the same price. It doesn't matter. But Memorial Day, please do not come.
Yeah, because you won't be here.
And when you serve in the military, there is a common denominator that everyone has. It doesn't matter where you were. It's the same thing. If someone served in World War II, Korea, Vietnam, in the Gulf, I promise you, it's all the same.
Well, thank you for your service.
It's my pleasure.
And thank you for your service and helping literally this entire city sleep better.
That's my
And
goal.
because of you, I'm less cranky.
And better looking.
Texas Mattress Makers has a special offer for Great Day viewers. Right now, get 25% off the showroom floor, excluding special promotions and adjustable bases. Stop by their new showroom in Katy or visit their factory location downtown on Navigation Boulevard. Give them a call at 713-341-6252. 713-341-6252. You can also find them online at texasmattressmakers.com.